Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at bile duct cancer.
Bile duct cancer happens when a malignant tumor grows in one of the ducts that transports bile from the liver to the small intestine.
The main symptoms of bile duct tumors include jaundice, which is a yellow discoloration of the mucous membranes. It's best observed in the eyes of patients. They may also present with darkening of their urine and a pale discoloration of the stool. Some patients with bile duct tumors may have pain, but that's not as common as the previous signs.
While medical experts are still not entirely sure about the causes, genetics seem to be a factor. It usually affects people in their middle to older age, but children too can get it. Sadly, it's a major contributor to mortality and morbidity.
The bile duct tumors tend to occur in a very difficult location, and the long-term prognosis tends to be very guarded, particularly for patients who are picked up late or who have very proximal tumors which are really close to the liver, because the surgery and reconstruction of those patients tends to be more challenging than patients who have distal bile duct tumors, where surgery and final prognosis is less challenging.
Diagnosis begins with a physical exam followed by CT or MRI scans.
Treatment of bile duct tumors begins with early diagnosis and accurate characterization of the extent of the tumor. The prognosis tends to be better with tumors which are lower in the bile duct, closer to the pancreas, rather than patients with tumors that are located very proximal and close to the liver. The best treatment has to do with effective resection and removal of all tumor and restoring continuity and restoring drainage of the hepatic secretions into the gastrointestinal tract.
Persons are also advised to get vaccinated against hepatitis B, eat a healthy diet, exercise, and avoid red meat. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.